Hi, we're detectives. So we are almost at the end of this unit, and you have learned so much. I want you to take a look at this chart. Just in the last few weeks, boys and girls, you've learned about breaking longer words into smaller parts. You've learned that it's so important to pay attention to the beginning of words. You've learned that you can break off the end of a word to read the beginning and then put that ending back on. You've kept an eye out for vowel teams, and you've used parts of words that you already know to help you with new words. Well, yesterday, boys and girls, you learned that word detectives take an even closer look and they watch out for unusual words like contractions. Well, today, we're going to learn that we have to also look out for types of words called compound words. I want you to take a look here. Let's line up all of these word suspects and see if we can find an unusual word. Can you try? I see. What is that word? I see in and to. I put it together and it's into. That's unusual. I see this. We know that in a snap word. I see he. We know that in a snap. What is this word? I see two different words that come together. With, out, without. Nice job, word detectives. And we know the snap word and. Let's go ahead and see if we can look at some more. We lined up our words. I see a lot of snap words. You, see, am. But then I see some unusual words. Take a look. Do you see two different words that come together? Back, pack, backpack. How about this one? Pop, corn, popcorn. Kiss your brains, word detectives. So, boys and girls, compound words are two words you put together to make a new word, and that new word has a new meaning. So, I have butter and I have fly. Those are two very different words. When I put them together, I have butterfly. How about this one? I have base, like in baseball, a home base, and I have ball. I put it together, baseball. Let's do one more. I have rain, and then I have bow. Very different words. Put it together, rainbow. So as you're reading word detectives, you are going to be on the lookout for these unusual words. You might see contractions that are two words that are put together with the apostrophe, or you might see these new compound words. Let's go ahead and read outdoor bedtime together. What do you notice about outdoor and bedtime? You're right. They are both compound words. One night at bedtime, I stayed. Oh, I'm going to be on the lookout. That's an unusual word. Well, I see out. I see side. Put them together. I stayed outside. There in the. Another unusual word. Wait, say that again. A compound word. Moon and lights. Moonlight. There in the moonlight, up on a, solve this one without me, haystack, where it was easy to hide. Nobody saw me, tucked out of sight. Field for a, I'm not going to let it stump me. I see a compound word, bed, room, bedroom, nightlight, a firefly, telling the scarecrow good night. Wow, there were so many unusual words, but we are word detectives and we are on a roll, boys and girls. So here's what I'd like you to do. I would like you to pause the video if you need to, and I'd love you to grab a whiteboard. Go ahead and pause if you need to. So we're going to do a little bit of work with compound words together, boys and girls. You're going to write on your whiteboard, and you're going to help us make compound words. I have the word butter, and I have the word fly. Two very different words. Can you please put those together on your whiteboard? You're going to write the new word. Let's see. Like butterfly? Kiss your brains. Are you ready for another one? I have space, and then I have ship. Can you write both of those words together on your whiteboard to make a new word? All right, let's check. Spaceship. Nice thinking. All right, we have the word cup, and then we have the word cake. Take those two words, boys and girls, put them on your whiteboard, please, together. Let's see. You have the word cupcake? Let's do the hip hip hooray cheer. Ready? Hip hip hooray! We're going to do one more together. Oh, we have the word jelly. Then we have the word fish. Can you put those together to make a new word? Let's check. Jellyfish! Wow, my friends! So, boys and girls, let's take a look here one more time. I'll make it bigger for you. Oops, if I make it bigger. There we go. So, friends, can you take a look here and identify all of these different unusual suspects now? I want to challenge you. I'm going to post this page exactly like it is right here on another document so that you have some work to do. You're going to go through and see if you can solve these unusual suspects now that you have everything you need to know about how to solve them. That's going to be your job, but of course, we want you to read on Raz-Kids for 15 minutes, making sure that you're using everything you've learned about being a word detective, and then go ahead and try to solve these. You can do it. I believe in you. Happy reading.